Everyone, we have Ishita and Sampada here with us. They both are from NLS IU Bangalore, and this is our new series that we are starting for the campuses. And here we have the right students of CL that we have right now. They both got selected into NLS, the top-notch college of NLUs, and it's a dream of a lot many students, and they both are living the dream as of now. Sampada, how do you feel going to NLS Bangalore?
Honestly, very exciting because you prep for CLAT for like 2 years, how much ever time, and then you have that one goal like, oh, this is like top ranked. You really want to get into it, and once you go there, I feel like it feels very fulfilling.
And Ishita, how did your parents reacted when you got selected to the NLS Bangalore?
So my mother was like, "Oh, you will go this far from me. Don't go take some other college." I was like, "This is the best."
Okay, so Ishita, you're from which place?
So I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh.
And Sampada, you?
I'm from Bangalore itself, so my amma just said you're going
Uh,
for this way.
just
Just
you're
30
going to
minutes.
another home in the
Yeah,
same city. Yeah,
trust me.
it's fine. So yes, this series is all about campuses. So when you entered into the NLS Bangalore, how was the feeling? Just tell me the feeling that you had.
I think the first time, I think this was before I actually moved in and like college started. But I went there and I remember standing outside the gate, and I was like, ha, finally made it. Like it's that kind of feeling that you have. It's like a dream come true, honestly.
And Ishita, you?
So when I reached and saw that gate outside this name of college, I clicked many pictures there, and then I liked the greenery here a lot and the atmosphere. I liked it.
So atmosphere, as in the place atmosphere, or also the curriculum as well. Did you like the seniors as well? What was your first interaction with the seniors? Like Ishita, what was your first interaction with seniors? How were the
I think
seniors for you?
the first interaction that we had is that in seniors give us a campus tour and they take us to the shops outside. So the senior that I got, she was really nice. She gave us a campus tour, told some stories about it, and then we went outside the campus to the nearby shops like June Junction. There's a small grocery store, and she asked us that you can buy anything that you want. So we all got a chocolate for us, and she paid for it. Really sweet she was.
Seniors are really sweet in NLUs, right? They just treat you like the best juniors. Okay. So like I am also from an NLU, so we had certain kind of traditions, right? And we used to celebrate those days. Anything that is the most iconic thing. Still, your this is your first year of the college, right? So you might not have experienced it, but maybe there is something that you've heard about this from your seniors, that this is the iconic day, this is the best day, you'll feel very good on this day. Any sort of that happening coming in the campus, Sampada?
Uh, at the end of like third trimester, I think we have this thing called Unipeak, which is like a full week of like cultural activities. So every day of the week we have something different. It hasn't happened yet, but I've heard a lot about it from my seniors, and like this ball and everything. So it's been like hyped up a lot. So I'm really excited for that.
And do you have any kind of date asking and everything in that as
We
well?
have that. We do have that, but let's see where that goes as of now.
Oh, that is the fun part, right? So how is your academic feel like? What is the vibe of academics in NLS Bangalore?
I mean,
I think when you come from school to college, it's get totally different because school was very easy, and but in NLS you have to do a lot of readings, projects. So to manage them together initially is difficult, but then you get used to it.
Okay, so while you are there, it's been like 2 trimesters that you have already went to, like you have done with
Yeah.
the 2 trimesters. Any favorite professor that you have? He's my favorite professor, and you have loved studying from that professor.
Sampada, you want to go first?
Okay. So
Yeah,
firstly,
you first.
I really liked history. So we had that last
Okay.
semester, and my professor was really, really amazing. And I don't know, I never missed a class. 100% attendance in history for that for that trimester, because I found it really, really engaging how they taught. And also in my first semester, my sociology prof, she was really, really well read. So if we asked a doubt in class, she would always have some other source or some other material that she would say, oh, if you're interested in that, you can read that. So I found that really fascinating, and I actually aspire to be that well read.
So till now, your journey in 2 trimesters, what is your favorite subject till now? Sociology or history?
History, not a doubt.
How do you like sociology? Like I though didn't like much sociology. Like I was not a good fan of sociology. So sociology was okay, or it's good.
It's going good. I think it takes a lot of engagement with the piece, because they're saying so much, and you have to like kind of find out examples from real life. That will really help, because you have to read
Correct.
the piece, and then you take that, and then you look at society again, and you're just like, oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Something like that.
So yeah, that's the uniqueness of about sociology. So within these 2 trimesters, so people usually have other NLUs have semesters. Like NLI Bhopal also had trimesters, and I was one of the part of it. So till I was in the college, they were trimesters. But as soon as I left the college, they started with the semesters. So other than NLS Bangalore, no other college actually provides a trimester system. So is it a bit hectic for you guys to be in the trimester, or it's easy going?
I think it has its pros and cons. Like to cover a 4 subjects in 3 months, it gets a bit difficult. But then after every 3 months, you get to go home back, and then you can relax and come back again. I like that part about it.
But that don't work. That won't work with Sampada, right? वो तो उसको दूसरा घर वहीं है पास में. That is not going to work.
I'm at home right now. Every weekend I'm just at home. It doesn't make much of a difference.
Ishita के लिए it's a relief that she's going to go to home. But for Sampada, I don't think so. Sampada is like ठीक है, पास में ही जाना है मुझे तो. That is
Just
good.
out to ride.
That's the thing about NLS. It provides every person different experience.
Yeah, very true.
I always wanted to know any fun fact about NLS Bangalore, or something that nobody knows about NLS Bangalore and you as students get to know.
I'm not really sure, but I feel like just being on camp, like it might be a little different from what you expect, but I think one thing about NLS is you really need some time to adjust, and then it'll be okay. You can't expect like everything to be rosy once you come in. It'll take some time, but after you get adjusted, it's a really nice place.
Okay, and NLS has its hostel life as well, right? मतलब NLS campus में ही you have a hostel, or you have a hostel outside?
We have on-campus hostels.
Yeah, Ishita lives on campus. I don't live on campus, but I live 15 minutes away. Like they've taken this property called Olive. So people from NLS itself stay there. So it's 15 minutes of commute, but then yeah, they've all Bangalore and like LLM and MPP, they live in Olive.
Okay, so how's the hostel life and the Olive lives?
Olive, it kind of gets a little disconnected, but it's fun. Olive is still fun. I think Ishita will know much more about hostel life considering she's on campus.
How's hostel life, Ishita?
So I think everything is fine. I think even the management about hostel is very good. Like if you get some electricity issue, anything, you could just raise a ticket on the campus side, and it will get corrected in like 2 hours. So that's very easy. And then we had like some hostel events as well. Like we watched a movie, and we got some burgers. And this is like the hall leaders. There are in a hostel, we have hall leaders. They arrange all these things.
That's really nice. So back in NLIU campus, we have triangle-shaped rooms. So what is the shape of the rooms that you have in hostels?
So we have like double sharing and triple sharing. So mine is triple sharing.
Okay.
In triple sharing, it's more of like a cubicle type. There are 3 cubicles. So if you want, you can put the curtains, and it becomes your own whole word. And And the double sharing, if you want, you can. Otherwise, people say like that. So people like triple sharing more because you get your own place if you put curtains. And it's like they're good rooms. We have well ventilated. We have windows in every room.
Okay, so hostel has such crazy stories, right? So any crazy story that you would like to describe that you have seen or you would have heard, you all guys know, right? Anubhav Singh Bassi. So he has certain crazy stories about NLUs. So any hostel stories that you would like to tell us?
One thing that I found is like NLS, everybody at some point is always wake up. So one, I was completing my project, so I went out my room. So at 3:30, someone was cooking, and the other person was bathing at 3:30 at night. And the other event is like sometimes dogs like they come. People here love dogs, so they come. So other person is saying, "Oh, would you please take us out, dog?" There's nothing very crazy story, but that's the two thing I found funny.
Yeah, I think the thing is hostels don't have curfew, so it's like you walk in whenever you want, you walk out whenever you want. So it's a really nice thing. You don't have any restrictions as such.
I think then it's a trimester also, and people have to study, so they just need their own time as well. So the same things we used to also see कि बीच में कभी भी कोई भी नहा रहा है, रात को 3 बज रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है. That is something really crazy to see कि भाई ये क्या चल रहा है. Where we are living at home, mama is like नहीं 11 बज गए सोना है करके. So हाँ, something that sort of any myth. And see, for me, NLS it was my dream college, right? For any CLAT aspirant, it's a dream college. Any myth that you think ki this was really hyped up, and now when you are there in the campus, it's actually not that amazing, not that great? Or it was something really bad, and then you got to know, no, this is really good.
Oh, I haven't come across anything. Have you?
Actually, I did not know about NLS and NLS life before coming here, so I'm experiencing it. There's no such myth that I came across.
Yeah. All I've heard about it is just, it's amazing. It's a nice place. It is amazing to an extent, of course.
Okay, so if you get any random chance to not choose NLS, what would be the other college that you really want to choose?
Nalsar.
Yeah, Nalsar. I'll choose Nalsar for the Hyderabadi biryani.
Ishita has a priorities नहीं. मुझे हैदराबाद की बिरयानी खानी है. मुझे नालसार से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, Nalsar, yeah. Nalsar is a great college, yeah, to go for. Anything that you really want to share about your exam preparation while you were preparing for CLAT, and your juniors should know, the students who are actually preparing for CLAT should know about the same?
I think for CLAT, consistency is key, because if you look at it, it's a pretty simple exam. I know every CLAT aspirant looking at me is going to be like, oh, she's there, so she's saying it. But I feel like it's a pretty simple exam. But if you consistently put in efforts, your performance is bound to go up. And if you focus on like doing your GK regularly, and if you practice enough, it's going to get better. So I think consistency is what matters the most.
Okay, and what was your life at CL, and any particular teacher or mentor that you remember, and the sessions that you remembered still now, that this was the best thing that happened throughout the CL life?
I think I remember Sridhar sir from CL Malleshwaram. Like, he was a really fun teacher, and it was really engaging. So he would like make jokes, and he would kind of explain the question in a very new light, and the way he would logically analyze those questions is like, oh, I didn't know I could think of it that way too. So it was a really fun class to go. I don't think I missed any of his classes.
Ishita, you anything about CL that
for me, there's a session that CL brings, like Race to NLU, where they just show how can you do things. So the math section really helped me. I don't remember the teacher's name. And then he did few questions of mathematics, and I was like, oh, I'm doing all the calculations which I don't need to do. You just need to analyze and just guess the answer, and you will get it right. You don't need to do the calculations. After that, my marks in mathematics improved. So that was a really good thing about it.
So I think QT is one of the sections. If you improve it, you are going to get into the top-notch colleges, right? That is the one basic thing any CLAT aspirant should go for. Because as being a mentor as well, this is the throughout my guide कि भाई QT पे थोड़ा अगर आप काम कर लोगे, you will be sitting in the top-notch college. क्योंकि बाकी चारों sections कहीं ना कहीं कैसे ना कैसे हो ही जाएंगे. But QT will decide everything. It's a deciding factor for you. So when I talk about CLAT and everything, recently obviously the CLAT का result is still on stay और बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही हैं. The exam pattern is also changing. Anything you would like to say about the same? Like your juniors are still going to come, and there is still a little bit of chances of them not getting the ranks that they are about to get.
Just hold on tight because you don't know what to do right now. Just pray that you get in.
Okay.
Just keep practicing and you get to college.
I really hope कि जितने भी CLAT जिन्होंने भी CLAT लिखा था, it's going to be helpful for them. Also, wrapping up everything, one thing that you love and one thing that you would change about your college.
One thing that I love, I think the diverse kind of reading that we get to do. I think in our college, the syllabus is very much updated, up to date. We get to read the classics and the contemporary readings as well. And anything that I would like to change, maybe if you could get a bit more time to complete the economics. Because 3 months I feel is too short for economics.
I
That's the
hope
only thing I would say.
Economics, I think, is one of the hardest courses that I've ever taken.
Yes.
I don't know what's going to hit me in the coming years, but economics was really, really hard. I'm not saying this to scare whoever's watching this, but all the best. I think one thing that I really love about this campus is the people. I love how there are so many methods in which you get to interact with your seniors. Like we have all that rank parent system and like rank family system, and we have project guides, and there's so much interaction made available to us, and it fosters a really good environment. And I think if I had to change something, I would definitely ask for more cultural events, because I feel like they're lacking a little. And then you tend to look at other colleges and you're just like, oh my god, they're having so fun, and here I am, finish class, go to library kind of thing. But just a few more cultural events will be amazing.
We deserve one DJ night at least.
Just one.
So while you were talking about economics, Ishita, you're from PCM background or commerce background?
Mine is humanities.
Oh, yours is humanities. And yours, Sampida?
Commerce.
So I also hated economics, just so you know. It is generally
it's very
not
hard.
the subject that you should have in BLL, be honest, but yeah, it's the curriculum that we cannot leave. So yeah, and cultural activities, I think NLS does not give students, I think, enough time. Do you really think, or do you have a contradiction that cultural events should be more prioritized, or the academic curriculum should prioritize? What should we prioritize?
I feel like it's because we have so much to study that we don't get time to do the cultural events. And a lot of the times the cultural events that we have right now, even those are planned by students. So they're planned by the student-run committees. So the students themselves, if they take time out and they start planning all these events, they don't get time for themselves in the academics. So I get where they're coming from, but if like the college could take up initiative and like properly do events, it would be amazing.
What is your dream job? Like really, you wanted to go for litigation, judiciary, or into corporate? Or anything else that you're thinking of?
I want to go for litigation.
Okay. You would be the first-hand lawyer in the family, Ishita, or you have a running blood of lawyers?
I would be the first generation lawyer.
Okay. And you, Sampradha?
Same, but I want to get into either entertainment law or fashion law, some sports.
Oh, nice. I think sports law is pretty much in the trend right now, and people are actually opting for the same. Yeah. I have heard a lot about it. I also didn't chose litigation and judiciary, by the way, and I am here as well. So I think law field actually open a lot many different zones for you. Like you can enter into any world that you want to. That is what law like legal field does to you. So that is one amazing thing about it. And rapid fire questions. Some of the rapid fire questions I think दोनों से ही पूछूंगी. लेकिन दोनों से set of questions would be different. ठीक है? तो let me start with Sampada as of now. Favorite place to chill on campus? You have to be very fast. Oh my god, what happened? एक second. Is Sampada stopped? Okay, starting ahead, I will really go for rapid fire questions. पहले Sampada and then Ishita. ठीक है? Okay, the favorite place to chill on campus, Sampada. And you have to be really quick, right?
Ashu's.
Sorry?
Ashu's. It's in NAB Quad.
Okay, so what it is all about?
It's basically a coffee place on campus. So anything.
Okay,
go
okay,
wrong.
okay. Okay, cool. Best canteen food you would recommend?
Their gulab, they make this bread kind of thing. I don't know what it's called. Shahi tukda? Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called.
Oh,
But then they make
yeah,
this
that's
bread.
Shahi Tukda.
Yeah.
That's Shahi Tukda.
And night before exam, study hard or chill?
Study hard.
Okay, professors, are they strict or chill?
Chill. Very chill.
Very chill. Okay, okay. One word that describes your college life.
Tough.
It's NLS Sampada. What else are you expecting? Okay. Next is you, Ishita.
Okay.
Hostel life or PG life? What's better? Like you live in hostels.
Hostel life. Hostel life.
Hostel life. Okay. If your college had a theme song, what would it be?
Why this cola very deep?
Nice, I like it. Okay, so most embarrassing moment in college that you have faced?
Most embarrassing. Oh, so once there's a professor, he asked us not to call him professor or sir or ma'am, call him by name. So I called him sir, then I said sorry and I again said sir. That was the embarrassing moment.
Okay. One myth about this college that isn't true. I already asked this, but yeah, again.
I told you, there's no such myth I came across.
Okay, cool. One festival or event you never miss on campus.
Where they have free food.
Praise one, Ishita. I really like it. Free food होना चाहिए. बाकी सारी चीजें देखेंगे.
Yeah.
Okay. It was really nice to talk to you both, and I really like the culture of NLS that you don't have to call sir and ma'am. It was really different in my NLU, but yeah, that's cool. That is really good. And it was my dream college. I really wish I could have been there, but yeah, I really wish all the best to all the students who are going to watch this series, and they are going to identify what actually the campus life is. We could have talked much more about it if the session would have been much more longer, but yeah, I really think itne se to bahut zyada idea ho hi jayega. So thank you so much, Ishita. Thank you so much, Sampada, for being here and discussing about the campus. And I really hope you have a good stay, another 4 years to be the good and a happy stay in NLS Bangalore. And you land up to your dream jobs that you really want to go to. Thank you so much. Thank you for the session. Anything that you would like to say at the end?
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.